Hey YouTube, how are we doing today? Danny Hoffman coming back at ya, making another video on all my ratchets that I own. So we'll get right into it. I don't have any 3/4 ratchets or 1-inch ratchets. I don't go that big. I do have some 3/4 breaker bars. I don't have any of my breaker bars out, so these are just ratchets. So we'll start off with a 1/2 inch. This is a flex head Cornwell soft grip handle. Then I have a 1/2 inch snap-on non-flex head. Then a smaller flex head 1/2 inch Pittsburgh Harbor Freight stuff. Then I have an SK. I have 3 SK 1/2 inch straight head ratchets. Then a snap-on, an old snap-on 1/2 inch regular ratchet. Then we get onto the 3/8 department here. This is my long 3/8 snap-on flex head. Then I have a Pittsburgh flex head, a Carlisle straight 3/8. This is kind of a unique one. It's a weird bendy flex head from SK. Gets into some weird areas, I guess. I don't use it that much, but here's a 3/8 flex head. Here's a Carlisle straight ratchet, a old snap-on 3/8 ratchet, then 3 SK straight ratchets. I have a lot of them, I guess. And then here's another unique one. This is a thin, kind of like a for a really shallow socket. I bought it in a set from Snap-on. Really shallow, get into some tight areas. Then I have a little stubby 3/8 SK. Then on to my little 1/4 inch collection I got here. Probably my favorite one is this DeWalt one. Straight. And then I have a couple little SK ones. So, nothing too interesting there, but there you go. That's what I got. Have a great day, YouTube. See you later.